ASC Engineered Solutions is proud to soon add to our broad range of innovative fire protection products with the newly designed SPF Anvil Figure C9 rigid coupling. FM approved and UL listed, the Figure C9 will offer the fastest and easiest to verify installation on the market. We clocked it in under 6 seconds with no need to measure torque. But let us know if you can beat that. We get it. You just want to know it's installed correctly and move on, even when you can't easily see the joint you're putting together. Overhead, in the dark, behind some ductwork, whatever. Meet the patent-pending Sabertooth Installation Technology from ASC. Just run your fingers across the housings. You'll feel the install indicator on the housing, and you will know, with confidence, the coupling is properly tightened and ready for service. See it, feel it, know it, and move on. We'll also be proud to offer the all-new CenterLOK gasket for the C9. It will ensure proper alignment with the pipe end grooves and allow for clean, easy placement of the coupling on the end of the pipe. The Figure C9 ships ready for action. No assembly needed. Fast, easy installation, no loose parts, no over-tightening, tactile and visual installation verification. This changes everything. The Figure C9, soon to be part of the comprehensive SPF Anvil Groove Fire Protection line and part of the broadest offering of join-in and hang-in solutions on the market from the ASC world of solutions. Let's find yours.